A very lovely morning to my lovely petines. How are you kids? Fine. Okay. Children, as you know, we have completed our reading of chapter number 19, Discovery of Fire. And we have done exercises also. Children, today we'll do question answers of chapter 19 in notebook. Okay children? So be ready with your notebook. Write down date 6.8.2020. Write down lesson 19 and name of the chapter, Discovery of Fire. Question answers. Here questions are given in book on page number 116. Okay children, today we'll do these questions. Fine children, question number 1. What were the tools of early human beings? What were the tools children? I have told you what were the tools. Yes, sharp sticks, stones and spears were the tools of the early humans. Beta, write down the question first and then answer. Okay, write down answer. You have to write the name of the tools. Okay, sharp stones and sharp sticks. Sharp stones, sticks and spears. Spears, you know na, I have shown you spears. Sharp stones, sticks and spears were the tools of the early human beings. Early human beings. Okay children, I am repeating the answer. Listen to me. Sharp stones, sticks and spears were the tools of the early human beings. Okay children, question 2 is, how did the early humans learn to make fire? Children, this I have explained you that how did early humans learn to make fire? Yes, tell me, how did early humans learn to make fire? What happened? One day early humans saw some sparks when they rubbed 2 stones. Okay. Now write down the answer children. First you have to write the question then answer. Okay. Answer 2. One day while making stone tools, some sparks, you know, chingaria. One day while making stone tools, some sparks came out. Some sparks came out and the grass caught the fire, and the grass and dry leaves lying it caught fire. Okay, but you have to write like this. One day, while making stone tools, some sparks came out and the grass caught fire. Okay, caught fire. Okay, this is how the early humans learned to make fire. This is how the early humans learned to make fire. Okay children. Next question is question 3. How did the early humans get the idea of cooking? Now next question is about the cooking of food. How did early human came to know about the cooking of food? Okay children, write down the question and then start writing answer. A piece of raw flesh fell accidentally. I have explained you know this thing, that a piece of raw flesh fell accidentally into the fire when they were sitting around the fire, into the fire. When they ate When they ate it, they found more softer. They found more softer and tastier. More softer and tastier to eat. Okay, children, I am repeating. A piece of raw flesh fell accidentally into the fire, comma. When they ate it, they found more softer and tastier to eat. This is how early humans get the idea of cooking. Okay, this line is from the question. Okay, this is how early humans get the idea of cooking. Okay, children. Now write question 4. How was the discovery of fire useful for early humans? Children, you know fire was very useful for the early humans, and here we'll write only important uses. Okay, write down the question 4 and after that answer. Okay, fire was very useful for early humans. First point, it protected them from cold and wild animals. It means fire protected them from cold and wild animals. Okay, and wild animals. Okay, second, it was used to light the caves. Okay, fire was used to light the caves. Okay, light के काम आते थे ना, because fire provided them light and heat. Okay, it was used to light the caves. Okay, next third point is it was used for cooking. This is the important point. It was used for cooking. Okay, children. Okay, children, do these question answers in your SST Fair notebook and do in good handwriting and take care of the spellings also. Okay, children. Now, I will explain you the worksheet in this workbook of chapter number 19 and you have to do it yourself. आपको खुद करने हैं answers. Okay, I will just explain the questions. Fine. Question number 1. Where did the early man live? Okay, you know where did the early man live? Fine, write the answer. How did early men hunt animals? Hunt means वो कैसे शिकार करते थे wild animals का, कैसे उनको kill करते थे. Okay, you have to write in short. Third, how did early man discover fire? Beta, this question we already have done in the notebook, so no need to write here again. Fine. Question 4. How did early man keep the fire burning and what did he use it for? मीन्स कि अर्ली मैन जो थे वो फायर को एक्सटिंग्विश नहीं होने देते थे तो वो क्या करते थे ऐसा, ठीक है ना, क्या यूज करते थे फायर को कंटिन्यूसली बर्न करने के लिए. ओके. फिफ्थ, हाउ डिड द अर्ली मैन लर्न हाउ टू लाइट अ फायर? दिस क्वेश्चन ऑल्सो वी हैव डन. ओके, no need to write here. Question 6. How was the discovery of fire helpful to the early man? Means this is same the question, how was the discovery of fire useful for them? This is same question in your book which we have done in the notebook. Okay, so no need to write here. Question 7. How did early man learn cooking? This question also we have done, so no need to write here. You have to write the 3 question answers. Fine. Next is fill in the blanks. First, the source of food for early humans was dash. Okay, the period during which human beings made weapons and tools out of stone is called dash. Yes, I have told you now. Yes. Third, early man learned to make a dash by tying a stone to a sharp pointed wooden stick for hunting animals. Okay, you have to write the name of that tool that made from a stone and sharp wooden stick. Okay. 4. Wild animals are dash of fire. Okay. 5th, fire provided dash and dash to the early man. These are very easy. Okay. 6. Fire made lives of early men dash and dash. Okay. This same line also you have read in this chapter given in your book. 7th, cooking of animal meat made it dash and dash for early man. This is also given in your book. So children, try to solve this worksheet, okay, and you have to learn the questions also, okay, which we have done today. Now question answers, you have to learn that. Okay, bye bye, take care.